This is what it looks like. This is what the nettle leaf looks like. I actually bought this on Taobao, so you can get it anywhere. Yeah. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I want to say welcome to the year 2020. Yeah, finally all the noise and all the things that people said about 2020, the year 2020, we are finally in 2020, and whatever it is you wanted to start doing, you have to start doing them. You're supposed to have started doing them at the first of this month, but that's not what we are here for today. I want to welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of stopping by, welcome. Don't be scared, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much, because I'm here because of you. So winter came, and I basically started having hair breakage. My hair started breaking drastically, like it broke like every single day. Like I say, every single time I brush it, I try to pack it, I try to do anything to the hair, it just breaks off, and that got me, I said I got worried. Yeah, I got worried. So after I got the recommendation of, like, I'm going to try this infused oil on my edges and on my hair to help. I also took my time to read about it, to research about it, and I found out that it really helps to regrow lost hair. It helps to, you have broken when you experience hair breakages, it really helps to work on it, and it helps to stimulate hair growth and all of that. So this is what I'm going to be doing for this January. I'll be going on a personal hair challenge with this infused oil I'm going to be making, and stinging nettle stinging nettle leaf tea rinse. This is what it looks like. This is what the nettle leaf looks like. I actually bought this on Taobao, and so you can get it anywhere. And yeah, I'm using the nettle leaf and olive oil, so that's what I'm using for right now. I'm going to teach us how to go about getting this infused oil. If you really want to join me in this challenge, maybe you want to do it on your own, you experience something like that, you want to get this infused oil, you can get it anywhere, or you can do your own do it yourself infused oil and tea rinse. So for this video, I'm just going to show us the infused oil and teach us how to go about doing the hair rinse, the nettle leaf tea rinse for your hair. Let's get right. So in a very clean and dry glass jar preferably, you put in some amount of the dry stinging nettle leaf, as you can see here, and you make sure you cover it with olive oil. There's no particular amount or measurement I used in this video. I only made sure the olive oil covers the leaf and properly, leaving no space for the leaf to dry out. Then, as you can still see, I added some leaves. Like I said earlier, there was no particular measurement for this. Then you will want to stir properly in order to let the remaining air in the glass jar escape. This is to hinder any bacterial growth during the 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month period of being stored. Then after that, you cover the lid and you tighten. Keep it in a very dark place. This is to help it retain the nutrients even at those period of weeks and probably months it's going to stay, and before you make use of it as a pre-poo for your hair. After doing that, you have to put it away in a dark place for 1 month, 2 weeks to 1 month. Then it's ready, and it's all ready for use, and you can use it for a pre-poo or before you shampoo your hair. And so we're going to be using that after 2 weeks, 3 weeks to 1 month. That's when your infused oil, stinging nettle leaf infused oil, will be ready for the tea rinse. You take some of the leaves, and you put it in hot water and you steam it. No, you steep it for about 5 minutes. Then after shampooing your hair, you can use it as a tea rinse on your hair, or you can still use it, you can use it as mask before you shampoo. Either way, it's just up to you to do what you want to do with it, and visible results will be seen soon. So this brings us to the end of today's video. Just in case you see this video to be helpful, you think it's helpful to you, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and join us on this journey. And don't forget also to try out things yourself, not just learning things, but also doing it yourself. And let's make sure we utilize this year 2020. I'm still your friend on Emerald. I really care about you. I do. I care about your meals, your hair, your overall health, and your well-being. So see you in the next video. Bye.